workshop was great.
And this was absolutely the best conference that I've been to, and I don't know when.
I love this opportunity.
I thought the workshop was awesome.
What did I enjoy about the conference this week? Wow.
We're here today to provide opportunities to HBCUs for internships, fellowships, and research opportunities to the schools.
The Naval Opportunities Workshop is so important because it brings together a lot of stakeholders who are interested in advancing STEM education across the United States.
One of the really important things is for the Navy to really look to partner with institutions that I call access institutions, whether they're HBCUs, MSIs, community colleges, because that next generation of leaders and next generation of STEM professionals are going to come largely from those areas.
Well, I think the reason why the Department of Navy needs to reach out to the HBCUs and MSIs is because talent is everywhere, and we recognize that the face of the nation is changing, and because of that, so has the talent.
And so an opportunity like this gets a lot of people from the HBCU community, minority serving institutions, people who work in government, people who work within the Office of Navy Research to share opportunities and really to think and strategize of how we can make a more robust, competitive workforce in the United States.
And if we want to continue to bring on the best and brightest, we've got to expand our aperture and outreach more so and spread our tentacles to those areas where that talent is.
As we look to expand our diverse workforce, these are the kinds of institutions that I believe the country, that the Navy, that philanthropy want to invest in to make sure that the next generation is ready for the challenges that our country faces.
I feel as though the Navy reaching out to HBCUs and minority institutions is very important because there are a lot of talented individuals, a lot of bright students that are more than capable of contributing to what the Navy has to offer and for a better cause.
I hope they come away with an opportunity to apply for successfully and get internships, fellowships, and research opportunities from the Department of Navy's program.
Because this was the start for me in the direction of becoming a professional. This was the first opportunity that I've had to actually get that hands-on experience, get the internship experience, and from there it opens up plenty of doors.
We recognize that there's a global requirement for us to, if we want to continue to be the best Navy and Marine Corps fighting force, we need to make sure we get the best talent that exists out there in society.
My name is Chris Langclose. I'm from Mississippi Valley State University. I'm an instructor there.
So my name is Juwan Brown, and I am an associate professor at Fort Valley State University.
Okay, my name is Joe Amajola. I'm a professor of mathematics and physics. I'm from Southern University at New Orleans.
My name is Ariel LeGrand, and I'm Vice President of Public Safety Broadband Solutions for the Digital Decision.
Hi, I'm Shonda Bernardin. I'm an associate professor at Florida A&M University.